Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch a hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can switch hotspot here too. You can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change its name. You can hide your device. You can change its security protocol. You can change its password. You can also extend its compatibility. You can manage devices. For example, you can set up like add devices to whitelist manually here. Here you can set up device limit, and here you can see list of the connected devices. You can also set up timeout for this hotspot, so basically after 5 minutes of inactivity, hotspot will be turned off automatically in order to save battery. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.